The officials from Meghalaya and Assam held a meeting yesterday to discuss the border issues between the two states. The meeting was conducted in view of the recent construction of a road at the border area about 10 kilometers in Riatkin'o and Urimbiam along the border of Khatkaslap village. Deputy CM JHADC Laski Rimbai, West Giant Hills Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia, SPS Sirti and other district officials from Meghalaya shared their concern about the illegal activities happening in the border areas and how it was affecting the safety and security of the citizens. While the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong District, Krishna Barwa, said that as per the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Khandulis is within their jurisdiction. However, she added that the district administration will speak with members of the council in regards to any construction work in the area. The discussion from both sides agreed to work together to resolve any issue that may arise in the future and to maintain law and order in these areas.
Kinra ekta council yaka baja khanduli kin sapan pau hi council tu yaka taxation gate ba mle banbu shu hantu banbu no shakwi jaka ba ki hun ki ba jong ka khanduli.
Any development activities, this is their autonomy is there. So whatever they do, they don't inform us. Because that's why maybe this is happening. So we will convey the message to them that whatever the construction work, development work they will be doing,